Hello everyone, this is Koge and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. Today, I'm going to teach you how to apply Pentens T-200H UV resistant elastomeric PU waterproofing coating. This is a sample piece of fiber cement board to represent concrete substrate. For surface preparation, it is important to make sure that the application surface is clean, free from any dirt or contaminants. You may also use a wet cloth to dampen the surface. For application, apply one layer of Pentens T-007 cement modifier as waterproofing primer. Dilute the primer with 3 parts of clean water. I'm using a roller for this application. You may choose using brush or spray equipment. Apply the waterproofing primer at the rate of 0.2 kg per meter square. Apply the first coat of Pentens T-200H in one direction. Leave to cure for approximately 2 to 8 hours before recoating. It is recommended to apply minimum 2 coats of Pentens T-200H. Apply the second coat of Pentens T-200H at right angles to the first, just like this. Applying the third coating of Pentens T-200H. Here are some useful tips. First, agitate the content thoroughly before using. Second, applying 2 to 3 thin coats of Pentens T-200H may work better than one single thick coat. Third, please take care of the application temperature between 5 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. Do you know that the coverage area for Pentens T-200H is 0.5 kg per meter square? Therefore, for an area of 10 meters square, you shall require approximately 10 kg for 2 coatings. Here are 3 important facts that you must take care in waterproofing solution. First, surface preparation. All surface crack lines or damages must be fixed before application. Second, waterproofing primer. Primer acts to improve the adhesion between waterproofing membrane and also the substrate. Don't compromise or you might regret later. Third, coverage area. Theoretically, your calculation is correct. Practically, uneven surfaces, pores or craters will cost you extra. Are you curious to find out what are the added advantages of using Pentens T-200H? First, upgraded resin using modified polyurethane and acrylic. Second, 5 times elongation with more than 515%. Third, UV resistant with SRI or solar reflex index more than 86%. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to find out more videos on waterproofing application and system. See you. Bye bye.